What up, y'all? It's your boy E, back again with another video, and we pulled up to Sourcing at Magic, but this time we're not in Vegas, we're actually in New York. So let's go check it out, let's go see what we can find. So this jacket right here, right?
Yeah.
I really like this style.
Yeah.
What would the minimums of something like this be?
300 pieces
300
for
pieces.
each color. Yeah.
And what's the price, FOB?
It's 30.
30?
$30.
That's it?
$30.
30, 30.
30. This is poly.
Oh, okay.
Not down.
Oh,
It's
not duck.
Yeah, not duck down. It's polyester inside. Yeah.
What's the difference between the polyester and the duck?
If you change to the duck down, it at least $10 more.
Why is it more expensive?
Why? Because it's very difficult for the technical. You can see. This is 2 layers. Yeah, 2
Oh,
layers.
you're talking about the sewing.
Yeah, the sewing. If you change it different, like this style is more easier.
Ooh, this is hard. How much is this?
26.
26. And then what's the other one? You call it duck down?
Duck down is 32.
So what is duck down is like duck hair?
Oh no, duck down. Down.
Uh-huh.
Down is different. As fur is much more hard and longer.
Oh, longer.
Yes, as a down is more soft and puffy.
Oh, so she's talking about the filling inside of the jacket. If you do polyester, it's 26, and then duck down is 32. So she says the $32 one will last longer, it'll hold up better. And they can do full sublimation like this?
Yes, of course.
Sublimation? Any logo, any colors, right?
Yeah, the customer can use their own logos. This is digital print.
Wow. Digital print.
Yeah,
And what were the MQs again? 300?
300 pieces. Yeah.
And then lastly, what about something like this right here? This like crazy texture, right? This pattern. If
this
somebody
pattern-
wanted to do like a different pattern, you could do it?
Sure. Every patterns can do it because this is stitching by machine.
Wow.
If they can send us artwork, we can make the same patterns.
And how much would this be right here?
The costing, this is costing is 28.
28. Did you say what's the minimums?
300 pieces.
300 pieces. That's the magic number. You like to gamble?
Yeah.
Let's go put 300 on 300.
Okay, thank you.
Good number. All right, so guys, the one thing I want to show you guys in this part is this. So these are jackets, right? But one way that you can differentiate the jacket and brand it better is some sort of sublimation printing, right? Another way that you can do it, right, in a more creative way would be some sort of pattern. If you think about things like Rimowa and you look at that suitcase, why do people want to pay $1,500 for that suitcase? They understand that silhouette and that pattern that is built, the steel case, right? In the same way, you can come up with the jacket brand where the texture is a little different, or they're sewing a certain pattern into the jacket and you're known for that. So it's really dope to come to these places because you always learn. And if they wanted to find you, do you have a card?
Yeah.
You guys could tap in right here. Ellen, WeChat or email?
Email.
Email.
Also can add WeChat.
WeChat.
My phone number.
Okay, cool. Thank you. You know we stay giving y'all free game. What do you guys sell?
We are manufactured from India.
Okay.
We do right from newborn till men's.
What would you say is like your hit product? Like, what is the number one thing that people come to you for?
I would say menswear and womenswear and
Can you
women's
show
wear.
us some menswear pieces? I like this one over here. Like this one right here. What is the price on something like this?
Would be around, as I said, $14.
$14 for the set?
Yes,
For the set.
shit for the set.
And what would be the MOQs for something like this?
500 sets.
500 sets, $14. And this quality is pretty good. 100% cotton?
No, this is polycotton.
Oh, polycotton is a mixed blend.
It's kind of active wear.
Oh, okay. And you guys can do the
Performance wear. Yep.
prints, embroidery, all of that stuff?
all together.
Oh, nice. What are some of the other products that you guys are like hero products?
Yeah, those kind of stuff.
Ooh, like this
Pigments,
velvet.
white sheet. No velvet, this is fleece.
What is
garment-like
this?
stuff.
What is this called?
This is fleece.
Fleece. What is this fuzzy look feel to it?
It's brushed. It's a reason being to give softness, oil
Nice.
vary.
And what would be the price on something like this?
This would be around $8.
$8?
$8.
That's pretty good. And what are the MOQs?
500 pieces.
500 pieces?
500 pieces.
This is cool. How much is something like this?
This would be around $12.
$12, 500 piece minimum.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
get?
500 pieces.
That's the favorite number, huh?
Yep.
Oh, what about this wash? Something like this?
Something 300 pieces.
300 pieces? And then the price?
Be five to six dollars, I would say.
Wow, guys, this is kind of like that Hellstar vibe. And you're looking at $5 to $6 for this. 300 pieces. You can easily sell this for How much could they sell this for?
The brand is selling around for $60 and
$60.
in Netherlands.
How much could I sell it for?
The same, I would suggest.
What? You don't think I could sell it for more?
Same price, I would say.
You don't think I could sell it for more?
No.
So a lot of people ask us about baby clothes.
Yes.
What's the pros and cons to baby clothes? Like, what's the good thing about it and what's the bad thing about it?
Nothing bad about newborns and kids.
How come more companies don't sell baby clothes versus like adult clothes?
Because the reason behind this, the kids outsize very quickly. The product will save more. It's a kind of a commercial strategy, I would say.
So what would be the prices on like a kid's shirt like this?
It should be around $150.
$150. Same thing.
$1.50.
MOQ.
Same. 200 pieces.
So a lot of you guys always ask us like, hey, do you guys sell kids clothes or do you guys do kids apparel? Here's the thing, when you come to these shows, the one thing you want to look for is the white space. There aren't a lot of companies out here that are selling kids clothes. So you want to go and find factories like this that can manufacture kids clothes, that know how to do it, that can get the right size packs. So that way you can attack that white space in that market. If they wanted to find you, do you have a card or something? This one? You want them to email you, text you?
Yeah. Anytime.
Cool. What do you guys sell? What is like if you were to dumb it down to like 3 hero products, what are the 3 best things?
3 best things would probably be just the t-shirts and the denim pants and the hoodies.
Yeah. What would be the price on a shirt like this?
Like $4.
$4. And for a lot of people out there that already buy shirts in the States and print on the shirts, what would you say is like your advantage to not buying in the States and buying with you?
So I manufacture from Bangladesh, so I have like very competitive price, as well as my factories are all aligned and very sustainable.
Okay.
So I promise to like produce sustainable clothes as well as recycled cotton, recycled polyester. So you are also helping reducing your carbon footprint working with us, compared to say like a factory that isn't compliant or like isn't really transparent with what they're doing.
You got the certifications, we need to see them on the wall. I'm with the feds.
Stay with the feds. I got all this here.
Okay, so guys, if you want to do shirts, I would say working with these factories overseas, it's about price and it's probably about you can get more customization. However, you are going to give up on lead times. What would be the lead times on like a custom shirt from when I send you the tech pack to when I get it in?
30 to 60 days, depending on how you ship it. So a lot of customers, I would say like people who have their own brands here would do like short quantities. So like let's say 1,000, you could probably air freight that and get it within a few days.
DDP, right?
Yeah. So it would be pretty
What
fast.
about a hoodie? Can you show me like a really good streetwear hoodie?
So I don't have something that heavy, but I feel the quality in this. We could do a hoodie, but this is just a zipper jacket.
What print is this? Sublimation? ALP, what is that?
All over print.
All over print.
Yeah, so it's like a digital print that goes all over the fabric, and it looks like it's embedded within the fabric, so you don't feel anything, but just the fabric compared to like a screen print.
And how much would this cost, and what are the minimums?
This would cost around $6.
$6?
Yeah, $6.
Printed and everything?
Yeah.
Bro, there ain't no way that's sustainable.
That is.
And then what are the minimums?
I make everything. Like I have the whole compound. Besides the yarn, I do knitting, dyeing.
So you in the factory, you printing this shit up and sewing it yourself?
Yes.
What are the minimums on something like this?
500 to 600.
500 to 600. So the minimums are a little bit higher, but guys, $6 for this is crazy.
Yeah.
Do you guys make stuff like this too?
Nah, that's not me.
Okay,
That's
okay.
there.
This is why did you guys bring this?
Looks good.
It looks good. Okay, cool. Let me see. I'll make it even look better. Look, we gotta complete the outfit, all right? Y'all, my boy got the thug life and he got the chain, y'all. If he wanted to find you, how could they find you?
We have a website, and this is our brand's name, Radiance Group. So you can find us or scan this QR code.
Do you guys have Instagram?
We do not yet.
Why don't you get on Instagram?
We will soon.
You should get on Instagram, and then the hack is you just spam every single clothing brand and just write, hello sir, hello ma'am, I manufacture t-shirts, hoodies, joggers, chains.
I've done that.
Tap in. Thug life.